I would like to sing a song, a short song, why we need to respect priests. Pada agama Sikh masih respect itu. Alun lagu. Why do we so respect to the priest and why do we call him Father? He is like Christ. How do you know? Holy orders make him so. Jadi kasi Father itu kayak Yesus. Itulah priest like Christ. Priest is like Christ. He is like Christ. Okay? Because of holy orders. Because of holy orders, he is like Christ for us. Jadi kasi itu kita Father kita Father itu kata kita itu cerap mengaji dan cetur mengaji. In fact, when 3 years down the line, when I was the anchor in the hall, when Father Lucas was moving out and Father CPK, Father CP said, I'm like Abraham, like Abraham who was sent to a place where he did not know. So when Father came, he did not know no one here. But then I said, don't worry, Father, we are there to support you. And whatever we could, we have Father CP. I suppose Father CP would not don't agree with me. Itu berat, saya tahu dulu, masih untuk dia cinta.